This looks like a problem I need to solve. Let me fill out a safety hazard report.
Within the Public Forms feature, you can quickly generate a unique QR code for any form. Just select your desired form, extract the QR code, and place it right on the job site. Anyone on-site can simply scan the code with their phone and capture photo directly within the form as proof or documentation. From there, they can fill it out to their liking and submit it in real time. It's a fast, hassle-free way to give workers easy access to the forms they need without searching for links or logging in. Open a new page and add Calendar plus web part. Configure your data source. Style the page to your liking. The submitted forms will automatically populate onto the calendar you have configured. You can view all form details, including the image, directly on the calendar. Next, open Microsoft Teams, go to the relevant channel, and click the Plus tab. Choose SharePoint Pages and select the page you just created. Now, your Calendar Plus view is embedded in Teams for everyone to see and interact with. You can even customize the page header or visuals to match your project. You can view the submitted reports in your Teams channel calendar. And that's it. You've created a fully integrated safety hazard tracking tool in Teams.